Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain to you how to analyze the data for one-way analysis of variance ANOVA. Make sure you have appropriate data for one-way ANOVA. You must have one quantitative variable and one qualitative variable with 3 or more category. So for this data set, we have one quantitative variable, which is student CGPA, and another variable is qualitative variable class with 3 category, class A, class B, and class C. So let's say we want to see significant difference of student CGPA between 3 classes, class A, class B, and class C. So you can create statement of hypothesis H null mu A equal to mu B equal to mu C, and then your H1 at least 2 of the treatment means are different. So to analyze the data, at first you must go to Analyze tab, Compare Mean, and then choose One-Way ANOVA. And then you need to insert the response variable that you are interested to measure here. And for factor, you need to insert the groups or population that wish to compare here. So for this data set, CGPA, so you bring to dependent list, and class, there are 3 classes, so must go to factor. And then you click post-hood button, so the following window will appear. So in this submenu, you can change the significant level. So let's say if you want to change the significant level, you can change here. So this one I just remain 0.05 or 5%. And then you click continue, and then click OK to produce the result. And then you can see the output will be appear. So we have ANOVA table. So for ANOVA table, you can see there are several columns and also row. So first one, sum or square between group. So SSB is equal to 4.681. Sum or square within group 1.145. And sum of square total SST is equal to 5.826. So DF stands for degree of freedom. So for degree of freedom between groups is equal to 2. So means that K minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And then for degree of freedom within group is 17. So means that N minus K, 20 minus 3 is equal to 17. And for degree of freedom total, N minus 1. So 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. And then we have mean square between group 2.340. mean square within group 0.067. And F, so F statistic, so this one we use to testing the mean difference. So you can see F is equal to 34.734 SIG. So refer to p-value is equal to 0.000. So because you want to investigate the significant difference of student CGPA between 3 classes, either you can refer to test statistic or you can refer to p-value. So let's say I'm using p-value. So you can see p-value is equal to 0.000. So since p-value less than alpha, 0.05, so we can conclude that there was a significant difference in the mean of student CGPA among 3 classes.